going to do is we're going to actually start the reaction, and now we have, now we're going to time it, right? So that we only let the reaction, we're going to start adding the catalase. This is the exciting part. So again, we're going to follow the same directions. I'm going to take 10 mils of the substrate. Here's the substrate, hydrogen peroxide. And I'm going to put it in a cup, like I did before. And I'm also going to add, this time, I'm going to add enzyme to it. But I'm going to add it to it for only 10 seconds. I'm kind of watching the clock behind the person who's filming me. And as soon as it goes to 10 seconds, I want to be ready to put the sulfuric acid in to stop the reactions. I'm going to have that ready. Okay. So 10 seconds starting. Now, see the bubbles in there? That's 10 seconds. So we stop the reaction with the sulfuric acid. There we go. That's our 10-second cup. All right. So let's see how much hydrogen peroxide got eaten up by that. Just kind of using this as a, all right, good. Okay, so here's my 10-second cup. I'm only going to take a 5 milliliter transfer, there. And I'm going to titrate that 5 mils. All right, so starting at initial reading of, I think it was just 11 mils, okay. Initial reading is 11 mils. Let's see what it is at the end. Now it should reach titration point quicker this time because it had some time for some of the hydrogen peroxide to be eaten up, right? So let's see how it goes. Sometimes what happens is it is the permanganate gets caught in the bubbles on the top, so I want to make sure it goes in. Let's go a little bit more. It's a lab that takes some patience, but it's kind of fun with the color changes that happen. Stick around a tiny bit longer each time. Yeah, that's almost there. Yeah, that's it. Titration point. Okay. So for the 10-second cup, the final volume is, let's say, 14.8, 0.7, 14.7. Yeah, that's pretty good. So 3.7 used up. Okay, that's the 10-second cup. Slightly less than the baseline cup, which is what we would expect. Okay, so now we're going to go to the 20-second cup. Put that away so we don't get it confused. Kind of using a waste thing here. Okay. All right, going to the next cup. Doing the same thing, 10 milliliters of this substrate.